Design Temp Inc. With lots of contractors calling Wall Township home, it's no wonder that the HVAC system in your property could be vastly different from others. Fortunately, being able to work on diverse HVAC setups is one of Design Temp Inc's core strengths. We have been in business since 2009. Proudly serving HVAC excellence to the Jersey Shore. Our talented technicians have the experience to understand what's going on with your particular situation and the ability to provide the best possible solution efficiently and effectively. For more information, please visit our website, www.designtempHvac.com, or contact us through phone 732-807-4200. You can visit our office, Wall Township, New Jersey. Design Temp Inc.